Hello artists! Today we are going to be painting a summer's favorite treat, a popsicle. And it might look complicated, but all you do is just blend some colors. And there's literally only 3 colors. There's pink, green, and brown. So anyone can do it, but let's get started. What you will need is watercolor paper, some water, you'll need some paints, and you will just need one bigger paintbrush. So for this popsicle, we're gonna take our bigger brush, add some water to it, add a little bit of that red, plenty of water. And we are going to be painting sort of this arch, just like that. Let's grab more water, blend it in nicely so we don't have any of those dry streaks. Just like that. And flip this over to get a nice edge. And while it's still wet, let's grab more of that paint and add sort of these lines. These lines are what popsicles usually have, right? So you kind of want to make it blended in there, but just kind of make sure they're there, but not super defined. Now let's grab our green, just like that. And we're actually gonna leave a little bit of white space in between, and we're just gonna draw a straight line across, kind of curve it at the bottom. That's the end of our popsicle. We're gonna wash our paintbrush. And now we're gonna barely but blend these colors in. So we have some white in between, but it's not just 2 different colors floating in space. We're kind of blending them in. I can see a very defined line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little bit of that red and blend it in nicely. So it's a little bit lighter, but not very defined. And remember that line? We're gonna actually carry it all the way down. Down until the green. At the green, we're gonna use it as the green color, just like this. And kind of curve it this way at the very bottom. Just a little detail that might make a big difference. Now, all that's left is our popsicle stick. So let's wash our paintbrush really well from the red and the green, and let's grab our brown. Now, we don't need a lot of color because it's a light brown, so we don't need a lot of it. There you go. You can make it longer, make it very light in color. There you go. And your popsicle is all finished. Perfect for a summer watercolor tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next tutorial.